And she has asked me to help her figure out how to do a parameter on Power BI that will show the current week. Now, why she want to ask me that, I don't know. But anyway, let's figure it out. Okay, so what I did, I went into my Power BI. Every time they ask me to sign in, they keep asking me for a work email. Well, dad blame it. You just want to humiliate me by reminding me I'm out of work. But thanks a lot. I'm a grumpy old woman today. So anyway, I'm using the data set I got from Tableau. Tableau has a sample superstore data set. And I figured, why not use it here? Um, so you see, it's got some places where you can put a filter on the date. You know, the ship date. There's another date in here. Order date, I think. Anyway, so what we got to do is ship date, order date. How do we filter these? And she wants it so that the user can also filter. So we're going to go to report view and see how can we filter. Now, I placed, I was doing this before when okay, so I placed the date. Let me go back to where I was. So I thought, order date, ship date. Now, would a filter work? I don't know. I'm going to spend some time on this, but I'm going to share it with my audience because I'm tired of doing all this research on my own and never sharing it. So we've got order date and we've got ship date. What is so far apart? Okay. Anyway, put order date into a filter. Filters on this page. And then how would we, I want to, relative date. Oh, relative date. Because she wants to be able to show is in the last 5 weeks. Now, it's not going to make any sense because the dates are old. So you're not gonna get anything. If the order date was there, so we can't do relative date. There's no order dates in that time. Hmm. I mean, you could pull in something and see if it works, but it wouldn't. Pull in customer name. You're not gonna see anything there because there aren't any customers with orders in this particular order date. But what if we said basic filtering, and then we said, can we put our own date in? Now I'm gonna need advanced filtering. Okay, show items when the value is. Now let's look at the report table view again. So, okay, it was from, these records are from the year 2018 to 2020. Okay, so we want the week of Sunday, November 8th, 2020. We got quite a few orders here from Sunday, November 8th, 2020. So let's go back to report view. Okay, and put in that we want good grief. This is gonna take too long. Just put the date. 11/8/2020 from 12 a.m. when the value is, can you put between? Well, I want the value to be between and hmm, is before. Oh, this is too cool. So this is how you get a week. So November 8th to November, what's 7 days after November 8th? So we're talking, hmm, 7 days later would be November 15th, 2020. Okay, November 15th. Okay, so now we've filtered our data, right? And we want to filter for this page, customer name, order ID. So where is it? It's making me crazy now. Where's the order ID? Where's the, it's not working. What happened? Not 2024. Why did you say 2024? I said 2020. Um, Apparently, you put in some other kind of filter somewhere. This filter, this filter should not be here. Now, how did you put that in? Filters on this page. That's the filter I have. So where's the other filter? I don't know. I mean, seriously, you gotta take that filter out. But where is it? This is a good question. I only, I did have another filter, but I did not. Excuse me, but how do you remove filters? Uh, where's the stupid filter on the order date? Okay. So try again. Order date. Now let's see, can we change the filter? Filter on this page. Advanced filtering. I want my 11/8/2020. is before, is after, is on or after 11/8/2020, is before 11-15-2020. Whoa, did that work? I applied the filter. Not working. Do you see it? What what date is this? This is the order date. Why is this? Oh, it is. It is working. Wait a minute. Why did it just start working? I was doing this. Oh, go back. No, it's working. It was working. It didn't work, but then it worked. So this is how to filter. Okay, but this is not. I don't know that this is going to be what she wants because she wants for the user who gets the report to be able to just flip the dates. And even though this looks great, can the user really do what they need to do here? Well, I don't know. I will have to check that out. I mean, here they have filtered down the report. This is true. They have. This does not look anything like Tableau with all its pretty colors. So that's just annoying. And then it says publish, which I don't know what the hell that means. Save this. Now this looks good, but how is the user going to be able to change that? From here? That looks kind of awkward. Now let's see how it's done in Tableau, because that's my favorite.